So finally today we've got a bit of sunshine going on outside, and I've finally decided it's time for me now to go and actually inspect the bees, check their health, see how they're doing, and put this super on, which I've been in storage for the past 6 7 months, over the winter period. And honestly, I can say it's amazing how it's literally retained and just stayed as fresh as I did put it in. Um, I'm fasting today, so I can actually go around licking, and tasting this honey, as you can see here, that has been stored. So this will be given back to the bees. You can see all the dishes all like capped practically. This will be given back to them. They'll feed on it. They'll add more to it. Um, the frames don't need cleaning up at all, so they can just start building more honey on there straight away. It's just I can't wait for the season. Some fresh honey. This one I extracted some honey from there last year as part of the harvest that I did. So that frame is ready. That's a fresh frame. And some honey on this one as well. So again, they had already drawn this comb out, filled it up with honey. I've harvested it and they started filling it up again towards the winter period. So I'm going to return this back to the bees, do some inspections, and keep you all updated. Let's go.